told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Hello my yogi friends, I'm PETRAKI, and today you can join me for a beautiful short yoga class to make your day, to stretch your body, to open your heart and to breathe well. So find any comfortable seat, lift up your head, drop your shoulders down, close your eyes. Notice how you feel, how you breathe. And bring into your today practice more joy, love. Just be open for receiving. And make a beautiful inhale through the nose. Open your mouth and with the exhale, release all the tension. Just let it go away. Purify your mind, your heart, your body, so that you can receive a beautiful energy. Inhale through the nose, and with the exhale, just let all the worries to go away. Let it go. Just really ground yourself. And let's go for one more third deep inhalation. And with the exhalation, find your stillness and peace. Keep breathing here and now. And slowly open your eyes. And move your arms towards sky. So lift your arms up. Move them up. With the exhale, let them go down and round your spine for a beautiful stretch. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, move them down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, move them down. Once again, inhale, lift up, we go to rotation. Turn to the right. Grab your right knee with your left palm. Look behind you. Make a beautiful inhalation and exhalation. Let's go back into center. Turn to the left. Grab your left knee with your right palm. Deep inhale. Long exhale. Let's go back to center. Lift up your arms. Drop your palms in between your chest to the center of your heart. Make a wish. If you have any wish, any intention. And now receive the love to your heart. Receive the beautiful energy all around you. Receive the energy from the source, from the universe, from the Mother Earth. What works for you. And now, just release your legs. Straighten them, lengthen them in front of you. Inhale, lift up your arms. Exhale, lower down. Grab your shins or your ankles. Stay here for beautiful inhale. Beautiful exhale. Lift up your head, lift up your arms. Move them backwards. With the fingertips facing to the glutes, bend your knees. With the inhale, lift up your hips, open your heart. Exhale, lower down, and move your body into all fours. Find your posture, and let's go for beautiful cat and cow. So inhale, you arch. Exhale, you scoop. Slow it down. Slow and deep inhale. Long and stretching exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Let's find your center. Stay still. Curl your toes under. Lift up your knees and move toward forward, downward facing dog. I wanted to tell. So the head is dropped down. Hips are lifted. Shoulders are wide. So inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Move your right foot up. Lift it up. And make a beautiful step with your right foot in between your palms. Left heel is up. Left palm is down. And move your right arm into a circle. So you move it forward and up. You're at the rotation. Move it back and down. Let's go for 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. You step back into plank pose. Inhale. With the exhale, drop your knees and your chest down. Inhale, open for cobra. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, all fours. Curl your toes under. Downward facing dog. Stay here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Move your left foot up. Lift that up. Beautiful stretch. And make a beautiful step in between your palms. Take your time. Lower down your hips. Your right palm is under your shoulder. We will do circles with our left arm. Move it front. Lift it up. You're at the rotation. Move it back and down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Drop your palm down. Step back. Inhale. With the exhale, drop your knees, your chest. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, all fours. And sit to favorite child's pose. Knees together or knees wide. Find your posture. We stay here for 3 releasing inhales and exhales. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's move back to a seated posture. Just leave your legs in cross-seated position if you can. Spread your arms to the sides. Move your right palm down and move it far from your body. And move your left arm above your head. Inhale. Exhale. Let's go back into center. Let's move to the other side. Make a beautiful side stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Let's go back into center. Make a circle with your shoulders. Drop your shoulders down. Wrap your knees. Make a circle with your head in one direction. And to the other direction. Do not force, do not push. Just let your body to move in neutral way. And lift your head up. Open your heart. Move your arms to the sides. Take into your arms, into your palms, beautiful energy, power, love, freedom, whatever you would like to invite into your life and hug yourself with that. Receive. Inhale, open. And exhale, hug yourself and receive. Last time, inhale. And exhale, you receive. You lift up your head, you move your arms up. Let your palms go in front of your heart. Close your eyes. Stay still for a few breaths. Find your stillness. Find your peace, serenity. Keep inhaling in. Exhaling out. Enjoying your body, enjoying your life. Holding gratitude for all people you have in your life. Holding gratitude for yourself, for your food, for your home, for your work. Smile. Open your eyes. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for practicing with me. Give your thumb up or follow for more videos and be happy, joy, and